Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to share games on MetaQuest 3. To share games on your MetaQuest 3, start by powering on the headset and opening the universal menu. From there, access quick settings through the clock icon, then go to settings, select accounts, and enable app sharing using the toggle. Next, add a secondary account like a family member under the same accounts menu. Once enabled, any games purchased by the primary or admin account will become available for that secondary account on the headset. Keep in mind, app sharing works on a single headset only. You cannot share across multiple headsets simultaneously, even if you are the admin on both. Additionally, not all games support sharing, especially certain DLCs or developer specific titles. Finally, simultaneous play isn't possible, so multiple users cannot play the same shared game at the same time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.